Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A24. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Enter menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match, and enable Hey Google function. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say Hey Google. Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be mostly cloudy, with a high of 18 and a low of 9.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.